Hey, what's up everybody? It's your man, Gebzilla here, and today we're diving into something super interesting. How AI is totally changing the video editing game. I've been editing videos for years, and let me tell you, this stuff is next level. We're talking about AI taking over some of the heavy lifting, making editing faster, easier, and honestly way more fun. Remember the days of spending hours just cutting and syncing footage? Yeah, AI is saying peace out to all that. We're entering a whole new world of video editing, and trust me, it's going to blow your mind. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, AI is about to become your new best friend. It's like having a super-powered editing assistant working alongside you 24/7. So buckle up, because we're about to break down everything you need to know about the future of video editing. Okay, so AI in video editing, what does that even mean? In a nutshell, it's all about using artificial intelligence to automate and enhance the editing process. Think of it like this. AI can analyze your footage, understand what's happening, and make smart decisions about how to edit it. This means stuff like automatically cutting out dead air, stabilizing shaky footage, and even color grading your videos to perfection, all thanks to the power of AI. It's like having an invisible editor working behind the scenes, making your videos look and sound amazing. But it's not just about automation. AI is also about giving you, the creator, more power and control. Imagine being able to edit your videos with just your voice or having AI suggest the perfect music to match your footage. That's the kind of next level stuff we're talking about. Now let's talk about how AI is shaking things up compared to traditional editing methods. In the past, video editing was a very manual process. You'd spend hours scrubbing through footage, meticulously cutting and arranging clips, and fine-tuning every little detail. But with AI, a lot of that manual work is becoming a thing of the past. AI-powered tools can now handle many of those tedious tasks for you, freeing up your time and energy to focus on the creative side of things.
Imagine this. You're editing a vlog, and instead of manually cutting out every and the AI does it for you automatically. Or you're working on a travel video, and the AI automatically finds the best shots and creates a stunning montage.
Section 4. AI Editing Superpowers, Faster, Smarter, and More Creative. One of the coolest things about AI in video editing is the sheer range of superpowers it brings to the table. Seriously, these tools are like something out of a sci-fi movie. Let me break down some of the key benefits. First up, we've got smart color grading. AI can analyze your footage and automatically adjust things like brightness, contrast, and saturation to give your videos a professional look. No more messing around with color wheels for hours. Then there's highlight detection. AI can automatically identify the most exciting and engaging moments in your footage, making it easy to create highlight reels or find the perfect clips for your edits. Talk about a time saver. And let's not forget about voice commands. Imagine being able to edit your videos just by talking to your computer. Cut to the next scene, add a fade transition. AI is making it possible.
Cut to the next scene, add a fade transition.
Section 5. AI in Action, real-world examples of AI video editing. Now you might be thinking, okay, this all sounds cool, but is anyone actually using AI for video editing in the real world? The answer is a resounding yes.
Take, for example, companies like Adobe, who are incorporating AI-powered features into their popular editing software like Premiere Pro. These features are making it easier than ever for editors of all levels to create professional quality videos.
And it's not just the big players. There are tons of smaller companies and startups popping up with innovative AI-powered editing tools. For example, there's this app called Descript that uses AI to transcribe your videos and then lets you edit them by simply editing the text.
And let's not forget about all the creators out there who are already using AI to streamline their workflows and push the boundaries of what's possible in video editing. From YouTubers to filmmakers, AI is helping creators of all kinds tell their stories in more engaging and innovative ways. Section 6. The future of AI video editing. What's next? So, we've talked about how AI is changing the game right now, but what about the future? What exciting advancements are on the horizon? Well, hold on to your hats because it's about to get really interesting. Imagine AI that can not only edit your videos, but also generate new footage based on your ideas. Or AI that can create realistic 3D models and animations from your existing 2D footage. We're talking about a future where the only limit to what you can create is your imagination. As AI technology continues to evolve at a rapid pace, we can expect to see even more powerful and sophisticated video editing tools emerge in the years to come. These tools will continue to blur the lines between reality and imagination, empowering creators to bring their wildest visions to life.